In today's video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of disassembling an original Nintendo Switch. Let's begin by removing the screws. Start with one Phillips screw at the top of the console and 2 screws at the bottom. Next, you'll want to remove the middle screw on each side of the console. These are the ones that will give you access to the inside. The other screws are there to hold the Joy-Con railings in place, so we won't need to touch those for now. Don't forget about this little hidden screw under the kickstand. You'll need to remove that one as well. Moving to the back of the Switch, there are 4 tri-wing screws to take out. Once all those screws are removed, you should be able to gently take off the back shell. Inside, you'll find the metal heat spreader held in place by 7 Phillips screws. Be gentle when lifting the heat spreader, as it can bend if not handled properly. Now, it's time to disconnect the battery. This is a crucial step, so make sure to do it straight away to avoid any chance of shorting out the mainboard. There are several screws that you'll need to remove in order to gain access to the mainboard. As you go along, keep track of where each screw came from, as this will make reassembly much easier later on. Next, we'll carefully disconnect all the ribbon cables and connectors. Take your time here, these are delicate and you don't want to damage any of them. The speaker wires are tiny and fragile, so be very gentle when removing them. With everything disconnected, you can remove the game card slot. Now, remove the fan from the mainboard, and once that's done, you can gently release the mainboard from the frame. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know what you'd like to see next. Catch you in the next one.